Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Future I. Dear students, in this class, let me continue to solve previous year board problems from the chapter Triangles. Question number 9. In the given figure, triangle ABC and triangle DBC are on the same base BC. AD intersects BC at O if AL perpendicular to BC and DM perpendicular to BC. Prove that area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DBC is equals to AO by DO. 2-mark problem asked in the year 2020 model question paper. Children, it is a given figure. If you look at the figure, easily you can understand the problem. In this figure, there are two main triangles, namely triangle ABC and DBC. This upper triangle is ABC and this bottom triangle is DDC. And both the triangles are standing on same base BC. Means ABC is standing on BC as well as BDC standing on BC. Hence, BC is same side or same base for both the triangles. And AD intersects BC at O. AD is this line. This line intersects BC at O. This is point O. Both diagonals are intersecting at O. As well as they also set AL perpendicular to BC. AL is perpendicular to BC line and DM perpendicular to BC. This side is perpendicular to BC. Now we have to prove that area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DBC is equals to AO by DB. So to prove this, children, see, on left hand side we have to get area of ABC by area of DBC. And here we have what? Those triangles. ABC is here and DBC is here. Hence, let us find area of these two triangles generally. Because we know BC as base and AL is what? Height. And here BC is the base and DM is height. Hence, generally we can find area of these two triangles. First, let us do that work. So, area of ABC by area of DBC. So, what is area of triangle finding formula? That is half into base into height. So, half write as it is. And in ABC triangle, BC is the base children. So, write BC and AL is height. Always you have to write perpendicular height. So, AL I have written. In similar way, let us do for BDC triangle. BC is base and DM is height. Now let us simplify this. Half and half get cancelled. BC and BC gets cancelled. Now we have left out here AL by DM and this call it as equation number 1. And write the proper reason. That is area of triangle is equals to half into base into height. So now see left hand side what we have to prove in the problem that we have got area of ABC by area of DBC. But here right hand side we have AL by DM that we have to replace by AO by DO. So how can we do that? So for that, let me consider these two triangles, these two small triangles. Triangle ALO and triangle DM. Look at the figure and identify where these triangles are located. AMO is this, which I shaded in green color. DMO is this, which I shaded in orange color. Now let us compare these two triangles and show these two triangles are similar. And it's very easy to see this angle. This angle is equals to this angle. Because both are equals to 90 degree. Angle ALO equals to angle DMO equals to 90 degree. Next, these two angles, this and this, these are vertically opposite angles. Now here these two pair of angles we have shown equal. Hence under AA similarity criteria, these two triangles are similar. And you already knew that when triangles are similar, all its corresponding sides are in proportion. So which is helpful for us. Let us consider that. Let me write now AL by DM as well as AO by DO. These two pair of sides and take it. Let me write these two in the ratio form and call it as equation number 2. Now compare both the equations. Equation 1 is here and equation 2 is here. So in equation 1 here we have AL by D, and here in equation 2 we have AL by D. When these two are equal, these two will become equal. This area of ABC by area of DBC is equals to AO by DO. Can we write or not like that? We can write off this. So this is what we wanted to be proved. So very simple one, and we have got this from equation 1 and 2. Next let us move on to the another problem. The perimeter of two similar triangles are 25 cm and 15 cm. If one side of the first triangle is 9 cm, find the corresponding side of the second triangle. 2-mark problem asked in the year 2020 model question paper. Children, in our textbook, we have studied similar triangles for areas, but here they are talking about for perimeter. And here you wanted to understand one very important thing. See, when triangles are similar, their perimeters ratio is equal to ratio of corresponding sides. I repeat again, when two triangles are similar, their ratio of perimeters is equal to ratio of their corresponding sides. Don't confuse for area and perimeter. So whenever they talked about area, ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to squares of their corresponding sides. When area will be there, it will be equal to squares of corresponding side. But when perimeter will be there, it is not equal to square. It is just equal to ratio of corresponding side. That's all. And those two similar triangle perimeter given. First triangle perimeter is 25. Second triangle perimeter is 50. As well as the first triangle side is given, that is 9 cm. Second triangle side we have to find. For that, since triangles are similar, they have only said, and when triangles are similar, as I said, ratio of perimeters is equal to ratio of their corresponding sides. Now let us write perimeters in ratio form, because perimeters they have given here 25 and 15 cm. So write 25 by 15 cm, and first triangle side is given, that is 9 cm, hence write 9 here, and second triangle side we have to find, that let it be side x. Next let us do the cross multiplication. 25 into side and 15 into 9. We have to find side, hence 25 transfer this side, and we get here 15 by 9 equals to 25. Next let me multiply these two. 15 9s are 135, and in denominator let it be 25. Next let me divide this to 25 1s are 25, and 25 5s are 125, and 10 is remainder. 10 we cannot divide by 20, hence keep point and take 0. 10 has become 100. So next we can write 4 by 100. So answer is 5.4 cm. Therefore corresponding side of the second triangle is 5.4 cm. Next let us move on to another problem. In the adjoining figure, xy parallel to BC. Ax is equals to p minus 3, bx is equals to 2p minus 2, and ay by cy equals to 1 by 4. Find the value of p. 2-mark problem. They asked in the year 2020 model question paper. So if you look at the figure, easily you can understand. Here there is a triangle ABC. In this, xy is parallel to BC. They have only showed me. This is the symbol of parallel. These two sides are parallel. And also they talked about the sides. See, AX measurement is given, that is P minus 3. BX measurement they have given, that is 2P minus 2. And this AY by CY ratio is given, that is 1.4. These are the given things. We have to find P value. But as soon as you see this problem, we must able to identify this problem can be solved in which concept. So here, as you look at the figure, there is a triangle and one side xy is parallel to BC, and they are talking about their corresponding sides here. So hence this problem we have to solve on the basis of BPT, basic proportionality theorem concept. So for that, in triangle ABC, xy is parallel to BC. They have only given. So when xy is parallel to BC, we can write AX by BX is equal to AY by CY. I mean this AX by BX, AY by CY. Otherwise y is whatever. So the reason is BPT. Now let me substitute the values to you. See, AX value is given, that is P minus 3, and BX value is given, that is 2P minus 2, and AY by CY ratio only given. So I have directly substitute in that place 1 by 4. Now let us do the cross multiplication to you. So for that, let me do 1 into 2P minus 2. Anything is multiplied by 1, we get the same thing. And this is the reason why we have substituted the values. So 2P minus 2, and next multiply this. So 4 into P minus 3. So left side you write this as it is. Now multiply 4 into P is 4P, and 4 into minus 3 is 4 3 is how much? 12. Plus into minus is minus 12 is. So next let us simplify this to you. So this 2P will transfer this side to become minus 2P, and minus 12 transfer this side. So we get these things. Minus 2 plus 12 and 4P minus 2. So this answer is minus 2 plus 12 answer is 10, and in 4P if you subtract 2P we get that 2. So 10 is equals to 2. Now 2 transfer this side, we get P equals to 10 by 2, cancel now. 2 ones and 2 5s. Therefore P value is 5. That is what we want to write. They have not mentioned any values in centimeter, so no need to write unit. So the value of P is just 5. Let's move on to the next problem. In the figure, PC is parallel to QK. Where is PC? PC is here. PC is parallel to QK. And BC is parallel to HK. BC means this. This side is parallel to this side. Means in this figure we can see two pair of parallel lines, and AQ equals to 6 cm. Means this is the 6, and QH this is the 4, and HP means this is HP is 5 cm, and KC is equals to 18 cm. So this is 18 cm. We have to find the length of AK and AB. 2-mark problem as in the year 2020 model question paper. So we have to find AK is here, and this measurement, and AB means this full measurement. I mean this full measurement. Children, observe one thing here. See, this measurement we know, this measurement we know, and this measurement we know. So our first agenda should be we have to find BP. If you find BP value add to AP value, so we will get AB value. Now first, how will you find BP? So that is very important. So for that, if you observe the figure properly, they clearly said here there are two pair of parallel lines. So first let me consider ABC triangle. In ABC triangle, HK is parallel to BC. I mean this HK is parallel to BC in ABC triangle. So ABC triangle is this, which I have shaded in green color. Now it is very easy to identify for you. So this HK is parallel to BC. Now can we use the BPT concept? So now we can write AH by BH is equals to AK by KC. Yes. Reason is BPT. Now substitute the values, or else we can split this one first. See, AH, look at the figure. AH I can write it as AQ plus QH, and BH I can write it as HP plus BP, isn't it? And AK let it be as it is, and KC also let it be as it is. This side there is no such kind of adding things, how it is like on left hand side. We cannot be seen here right hand side. So right hand side part let it be as it is here. So AH I can write it as like this, AQ plus QH, and BH I can write it as HP plus BP. Now substitute the values. AQ value, where is AQ? AQ is 6 cm. So here we have to write 6. So plus is as this. And where is QH? QH is 4 cm. So 6 plus 4 is how much? 10 will get. And HP is given. So HP is 5 cm. And BP they have not given. Actually, we have to find BP. So remaining things all right as it is. And one more very important thing here is KC value also they have given here 18 cm. But I have not substituted here. I'll tell you later why. And just let it be as it is and call it as equation number 1. See, similarly how we found this equation 1 for ABC triangle. Similarly, let us find for APC triangle. So in APC triangle, QK is parallel to PC. Where is APC triangle? Yes, which I shaded in orange color here. QK is parallel to PC. Again, I can use a BPT concept. So AQ by QP and AK by KC itself, right hand side. So it never changes. So this. And AQ, how can you write? Is it possible to write AQ? AQ value is given, that we can directly substitute, not a problem. But QP there, no? Look at here. This QP. QP, I can write it as QH plus PH. So look at here, this. So here. So this is AQ value 6 cm. And QP I can write it as QH plus H. And right hand side is as it is. So why I said right hand side to keep it AK by KC as it is, because here now right hand sides have become equal. We can easily find we can easily compare both the equations. So before that here we can substitute the values to QH. Where is QH? QH is 4 cm. Here I can write 4 cm. And HP, where is HP? HP is here and HP measurement is 5. So here I can write 5. So 4 plus 5 how much? So that is 9. So finally here we get 6 by 9 is equals to AK by KC, and this is equation number 2. Now compare both the equation as I said. So here right hand side part is AK by KC and here right hand side part is AK by KC. So left hand side part will become AK. So this. So now let us do the cross multiplication. Multiply this 6 into 5 plus BP is equals to 10 9s are 9. Next let us multiply 6 5s are 30 and 6 into BP is 6 BP 90, right? As next this 30 transfer this side to it becomes minus 30. Next 6 BP equals, subtract this 90 minus 30 is 60. Next this 6 will transfer this side, so it becomes to denominator. And let me simplify this, 6 ones and 6 tens. So BP is equals to how much? 10 centimeter. Now we have what? BP value. So this value we have got. Now from A to P values we know. So AQ value is how much? 6. QH value is how much? This is 4. And HP value is how much? 5. So 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 add to 15. And this 15 add to 10. So AP we can add it as AP plus BP. So AP value we have got it as 15 and PB value is 10. So finally we'll get AB value is 25 centimeter. So to here first thing, this AB value we have found. Still we wanted to find AK value. So for that, see here equation number 2. So in equation number 2, substitute the value of KC. Here KC value they have given, isn't it? KC value this. KC is equals to 18 centimeters. So consider equation 2 and here in the place of KC substitute its value, that is 18, and do the cross multiplication. Otherwise the 18 you transfer this side, it becomes to multiplication. It goes to numerator as multiplication. AK equals to 6 into 18 by 9. Let me simplify. 9 ones and 9 twos. So 6 twos are 12. Therefore AK equals to 1 centimeter. So this is a little long problem for 2 marks. So you have to practice this. So next let us move on to another one. So from here onwards, theorems there children. So theorems I have not explained in this video because already I have explained all theorems in clear cut way. So I will post the link of these videos in description box. Kindly go there and watch if you want. And see 12th one, state and prove Pythagoras theorem. So this they asked for 4 marks, and in few years they asked for 5 marks also, but generally I have mentioned as 4 marks. So 2019 model question paper, 2019 June and 2020 March. And this Pythagoras theorem they may ask by giving the direct statement also children. So prove that in a right triangle the square on the hypotenuse is equals to sum of squares of other two sides. They may ask like that also. So you have to learn the statements. Next let us move on to the next one. See state and prove converse of Pythagoras theorem. So 5 mark question they asked in 2019 model question paper. See here for this year this proving is deleted. Proving is not there for this year. So statement you have to learn. So I had the statement very well. So next 14th one, prove that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So 4 mark 2019 mark problem. So this is the problem based on areas of similar triangles, very important. So practice this also. So next PPT theorem. So state and prove Thales theorem or basic proportionality theorem. So 5 marks as in 2020 model question paper. So this theorem for this year is very important to you, and they may ask by giving statement also. So prove that if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect other two sides at two distinct points, then those two sides are divided in the same ratio. Leaving that statement also they may ask. And next 16th one, prove that if in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then the corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportion, and hence the two triangles are similar. So 4 mark question as in 2019 mark children. And what you wanted to understand here is this is theorem based on AAA similarity criteria. This theorem also I have already explained. So just go through those videos. Dear students, to here we successfully completed previous year problems on the chapter triangles. In the next video we'll come up with another chapter. Till now those who have not subscribed from my channel, please subscribe and check. So thank you.